two vehicles, heavy front end damage. Stand by for patient count. Miami okay in there? Copy. We'll need another unit for traffic control.
Hold it right there. Stay put. All lanes stop. Stay where you are, folks. We'll get you through in a minute.
Vehicles, heavy damage. EMS en route.
Stay inside the vehicle, sir. We'll come to you.
Ma'am, you alright in there? Any pain anywhere?
My chest hurts a little from the airbag, but I'm okay.
Okay, stay put for me. Medic's on the way.
Sir, can you tell me if you hit your head?
No, just jarred pretty good. I'm a little shaken.
Alright, keep breathing steady.
It's okay. Just stay right here for me.
Ma'am, can you hear me? I'm going to open this door.
Everyone stay in your lanes. We're blocking traffic now.
We'll get